Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I want to be thankful for nature. You know, today it is today, I got to go out and walk with my family, get out on some trails and take a hike. We hiked for about an hour and a half, and we just got some fresh air and stuff like that. My wife, you know, when we got back in the car, she used her phone and did the stress test thing on Samsung Health, and she said, "Wow, my stress is low. Usually after I walk with the kids, my stress is high." I said, "Well, that's because you've been out in nature." And I'm thankful for nature because nature provides a lot of stress relief. It gets you back in the excuse me. Nature provides a lot of stress relief. It gets you back in the swing of things and able to think and able to execute, so to speak. It gets you some exercise. You know, we went up and down some hills and it was just a good time. So I'm thankful for that today. I know you'll be seeing this in a couple of days, so but such is life. We record a whole bunch of videos and then put them out one at a time. Like this video if you like it, and give us a thumbs up or whatever. Comment below and let us know what you're thankful for. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and make sure that family-friendly content is noticed on YouTube. We're also an Amazon affiliate, so if you see anything in the description box below that you like, let me know, and let me know. If you see anything in the description box below that you like, click on the link and go go get it for yourself. It's you know, it's Black Friday already, so go get it for yourself and or for somebody that you care about. We got a really good book down there, How Not to Die, and another really good book, Radical, Taking Back Your Faith from the American Dream. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.